Green bean casserole is a classic, and now you can make it dairy-free. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that using delicious ingredients from Basil Bandwagon Natural Market. Let's hop into my kitchen and I'll show you how easy it is to make this popular recipe. Okay, so over low-medium heat, I've got a tablespoon of vegan butter, or you can use olive oil, and I'm heating this up in the pan. This is 1 small onion, finely diced, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to cook and stir this for 3 minutes. I'm adding half a teaspoon of sea salt. This is the Redmond real salt. You can also add a few grinds of some freshly cracked black pepper. After a few minutes of sauteing the onion and garlic, you can go ahead and add 8 ounces of very finely chopped button mushrooms. Adding a little bit more sea salt will help the mushrooms to cook down more quickly. Cover and let them cook on medium for 3 to 4 minutes. Now that my mushrooms have softened nicely, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour. This is the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour, but you can use any gluten-free flour, or if you're not gluten-free, you can use just regular all-purpose flour. You want to stir the flour around until it really nicely coats the vegetables. Next, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of vegetable broth, slowly adding and stirring at the same time. Next, I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. This is the 3 Trees brand. Gradually stir that in, whisking as you go, and cook it for several minutes to let it thicken. You can cook this longer, maybe 5 to 7 minutes or so, to make sure it gets nice and thick. So after 5 minutes, you can see that our sauce has thickened up really nicely. I'm going to stir in a little love with my heart-shaped spoon. And I'm going to add 1/3 cup of fried onion rings, some that are, check the ingredients to make sure that they're vegan. And then just stir that in. I have a lightly oiled 2-liter glass casserole. I added 16 ounces of pre-cooked green beans. These were boiled until they're nice and tender, so they cooked for about 5 minutes or so. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this sauce. You'll just want to make sure that the beans are pretty much mostly submerged under the sauce. Next, I'm going to top off the casserole with about 1 generous cup of some of these crispy fried onions, which really just makes it. We're going to bake this in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes until it's warmed all the way through. So there you have it, completely dairy-free green bean casserole, something that everyone can enjoy. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And when you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll find out about new videos as they come out every week. Thanks again for joining me, and happy cooking!